Hey guys, so we're doing this weird challenge that Max just thought about like 2 minutes ago. And it's who can stay in the freezer for 24 hours so long as he's in the freezer.
I'm
in the
trying.
fridge.
Wait. Can you put the camera at me?
We haven't hit
Put the
unpause.
camera at me.
We can get out, Max. We haven't hit unpause yet. So we haven't started yet. Okay.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay, you're already cold, so let's close that up. All right. So we're gonna be staying in the
Are you
fridge.
cold?
No.
Feel my arm.
Oh my gosh. So we are gonna be trying to survive in a fridge, in a freezer. So this might be really good for Max because he can just open his thing. Maybe I'm just like this and he can open his thing.
Yeah, but I don't have any advantages.
No.
It's just really cold.
Max, what you can do is you have to be touching the freezer at
And I
least.
got a haircut.
You have to at least be touching the freezer, so I can do this and touch my foot with it.
Oh, I can go like that.
And then it's so easy for Max, because then Max can do this. He can be like, ooh la la. Look what we got here. I'm not going to be bored. Let's draw a heart. Max.
Sorry.
Alright, so basically that's what we're doing. And make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification
I'm
bell
taking the challenge
so
seriously.
you get notified every time we post a video, just because.
Okay, can we switch
Like
because
and
you're more
subscribe.
thin?
Like and subscribe
Fine.
because you don't want to know why. We're gonna freeze.
Yeah.
So
We're gonna
we don't
freeze
have
to
to
death.
be in it. We just have to touch it.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, starts in 3, 2, 1.
You gotta
Okay, I'm
close
just
mine.
gonna try closing me up.
You gotta close mine.
Well, I'm closing myself, so you can close yourself.
Well, I can't.
Hi guys. Good job. If you made it this far, even though you barely did. Good job. You make it farther.
I'm gonna freeze in here.
I actually want to try. Well, let's switch places.
Okay.
But we have to keep touching. The switching places. Okay. You have to touch right this is hard. Are you touching the fridge? Okay.
Yep. Wait, I can touch it with my hands and then easily.
You can do this. Oh my gosh, Max, oh yeah, you have to close. It's hard to close. Oh my gosh, you look so uncomfortable. This one you could barely even close. I can't even close this. Oh my god. I see the calendar. Oh my gosh. This makes me so cool. My name is Nikki. My name is Chicky. Guys, if you made this far, make sure to smash that like button.
Yeah, smash it like you're trying to break somebody's skull. Yeah. Do that.
Smash it if you like ice cream, and smash it if you love your family.
Smash it if you like your friends, or if they're fake friends. If they're fake friends,
you weren't touched.
break them.
This is easy because at least we have some food, so we might be sleeping here. Max, if we make it this far, how are we gonna sleep? It's already 8. Already 8.
Yeah,
And
we've
been cutting this video.
Ago.
No, we actually been recording for like 30 minutes, so we've been cutting out. I'm joking. I never lied to you guys. Oh, and comment down below. Freezer, okay? No, comment down below fridge if you like this video.
Are we even supposed to be in here?
I think. Oh gosh.
Yes.
Okay, well, we only get 3 turns to get out, and I really have to use the restroom, so I'm gonna use one of my lives. Yes! Alright, ARB Max, make sure that they're not bored. So, distract them, please.
Okay. Hi. And yeah, my name's Max. I do cringy karate videos. I just deleted all of them because they're new cringe, and I'm gonna supply you with some new videos. YouTube and YouTube. Well, while I'm entertaining you guys, did you know if you're growing your hair out, you gotta cut like 1/4 of an inch in the front of your hair if you want to keep it growing, or else it's gonna stop growing.
Oh, and guys, I almost forgot. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bells to his channel because he also has one called Big Mac. But you might want to scroll all the way down. It's him with his dog.
Yeah.
All right. I we stand on live at 3, 2, 1. All right, back to the challenge. Today's sponsor is Fridge and Freezer for letting us use these. So, thank you for sending this Fridge and Freezer for us to do this video. Simba's jumping. Simba looks so annoyed. Alright guys, swap time. And I have to place this down. Here's some of it. Oh, it feels much better in here. You know what? Bye-bye guys, this is gonna be great. I almost pinched my finger. I was putting it for the hole and started closing it. I felt something. I was just like, oh my
Hi,
gosh.
back to being my what? Wait. Oh, I got a drawboard.
It's Frost.
I got a drawboard.
What's this?
Ha! I got a place to draw like right here.
He's lucky.
Yes.
Like usual.
No, I'm unlucky.
And make sure, oh yeah, I think I already told you guys, but go check out his channels. Those are really serious channels if you have lots of intruders breaking into your house.
Yeah.
Really, it's true.
I wrote kill me. I already did.
Guys. My foot's still in, don't worry, and my hand's touching this, so I'll just touch this so you guys know that I'm still touching. Do we want to go on?
It's been 7 minutes and 30.
No, it's been like 8 minutes.
It's been 8 minutes. And now our challenge is going to be in Florazawa. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, the floor is lava. It's getting higher, huh? Oh, by the way, guys, I'm way taller than Max now.
Yeah,
Just look at that. Oh my gosh, Max, I actually got taller. You're on your tippy toes there. Tippy
that's
toes.
fine.
Yeah, guys, I'm way taller.
Yeah, even though she's younger.
Yeah, I'm younger.
She's younger,
Way
but
younger.
but I'm short.
Later, he's gonna be like 9 when it's starting to snow. Like a week when it starts to snow.
When it starts to snow, I'm gonna be 8. My birthday's in March.
January, February, March. Oh, I thought your birthday was.
I thought your birthday was September.
What? We've been friends for so long. Even my new friends know my birthdays. You never
2000.
told me, okay? What? Yes, I did. Since when? So tell me some facts here.
Like a year ago, maybe even this year.
I think I can remember
You've been at my birthday.
Okay.
You were at my
You're
birthday.
Good, you're good. I don't want to create a scene because I don't want to hurt your eardrums.
Oh, heck no.
You guys do not want to know how loud I scream.
You don't. You don't.
Want me to come over to your
Reese.
house and scream? Yeah?
Can you guys shut the fridge and the freezer? I'm getting alerts on my phone that it's open.
Okay.
Oh,
Well, I think we're going to end it here because we can't keep these open for the whole time. But thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
We appreciate all of the support and all of the likes and comments you give us that we love. So thank you for watching. This was probably one of my favorite challenges.
How am I not cold?
So make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.